How to become a successful affiliate marketer. Even though affiliate marketing is somewhat complicated, it can be an excellent way to make money. Don't stress over that, because these tips will put you on the right path. If you have a lot of followers on online social networking and microblogging services, then post about your affiliate product and include a link. Only do this if you think the product will be useful to your followers, as too many self-serving posts could cause you to lose your followers. Remember, every follower you have on a social networking site is a potential customer. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for affiliate companies that offer lifetime commissions. This will save you from losing commissions due to the time limit the affiliate company sets between the time that a visitor is referred from you to their company and when that particular visitor makes a purchase. If you have purchased an affiliate product to test it out, do not rely on text alone to give it a positive review. Break out the video camera, comb your hair, and give a video review of the product half how it works, how it helps you, and how it can help them. Allow people to actually see the product. Use the internet to check the history of an affiliate program prior to signing on with them. It is so important to know who you are working with so you do not find yourself frustrated and angry about not getting the money that they owe you for selling their products. Call the affiliate company that you are thinking about working with. If their customer service does not treat you well, you have a good idea that they will not treat your customers any better. If they leave you on hold for hours or are completely rude to you, you may want to move on. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be difficult. It only requires that you devote your time and energy to conducting research, networking, and ensuring smooth operations. Affiliate marketing can improve your business if you follow these tips. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.